Minasan, konnichiwa. Friends, you have seen the kanji of Shinkansen or the bullet train of Japan whenever you have walked through the railway stations of Japan. But have you ever wondered what the kanji of water doing here? In this video, I am going to tell you the reason for having water radical in the kanji of bullet train. This is the kanji of bullet train called Shinkansen that has three parts: Shin, Kan, and Sen, meaning new trunk line. Thus, it represents the new kind of high speed trains running on the new railway line system of Japan. Now, look at the last part of this word. Do you see the water radical there? Now, let's focus on this last part of Shinkansen today, which is the point of interest in this video. The last part is called sen in Japanese, meaning line. It consists of two parts. The first part depicts a string or a silk thread, and the second part is that of a water fountain or a natural geyser or a groundwater spring, which could be a hot spring as well. Let's focus on the second part now, which represents a fountain or a spring. It again consists of two parts. The first part is that of white color and the second part is that of water. But what's the basis of such logic for a spring or a natural geyser? The logic is that white water shoots out from a spring in the ground. Due to the force the water shoots from the spring, the water looks white with all its air bubbles. Thus, in Japanese, white water is synonymous with a natural fountain, geyser, spring, or a hot spring. Now, coming back to the combination of string or thread and white water or spring, we can conclude that both string and white water or spring symbolize something going in a specific direction or in a line. It could be a straight line or a curved line. Hence, the kanji characters for string and spring were combined to form the kanji for line, which is called sen in Japanese. So now we know what the kanji radical for water is doing in the kanji of Shinkansen, that is in the Japanese bullet train kanji. That's all friends. Hope you liked this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you again in my next video. Till then, matai masho.